UMLA Berim Kamausan Ram Constituency uba Himalaya Muktan Shangplyang hakasngi palay ulay thu baka jingyo jang u ban longkum unang Nongaibuit katanat puli puthi jang sarkar jilla kadai kabla ai do mintri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma bad usimbut mintri rangba uba Preston Tinsong Omday Satya bla Thung Nongaibuit u da ka jing ai jingmut ni recommendation na ka BJP Haba Crench kilat patay ko boru ba hima ulay thu ba wat hadin bu ulay kren ba uba Earnest Mauri bu unpak recommendation sa sarkar jilla makan binshet ni kisangut kidukot ka BJP ikinu ki kam bantun rong lang ya ka jilla hindray na kalyang u president ka BJP ulak kantad ekani ka jing ai jingmut jang u ulay thu ru ba ka jing shishaw MLA ka BJP uba mikmat ya ka penthor umkra uba long ru menteri ka sarkar uba AL Hek ulamut ban ay ka recommendation sa sarkar ban binshat eki arngut kinongelam ka BJP ka tau pa Shangplyang bat uba HM Kharkrang yekinu ki kam hindre hadin bukan jok tien cho president ka party markum tau ba Earnest Mauri labatha badai ban tarno ekane recommendation ba umut ban pha sa sarkar ba ula dawa badai ban pha da ka kerteng jong u ba ula ong ba uba AL Hek ula hab ban ko ngo ek ba president ka party u hukum.
Okay, you asked a very important question. You said I got the post of advisor on the recommendation of the BJP. Did you say that? I must admit to you today, this is something very interesting, that the post of advisor was offered to me by the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and by the Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Preston Tinsong. These two gentlemen, they called me one day and they said, have you been given any post? I said, no. So I said, then they said, okay, you can collect your appointment letter tomorrow. Whereas I asked Mr. Mauri over and over again whether you have sent our names to the Chief Minister with recommendations for some assignments. He said, I will be doing it. I said, kindly remember us. We are 4 ex-MLAs in this party. And there is one senior IPS officer who has taken retirement and is sitting out. So that comes to 5. Mr. Kharkrang and 4 others. And Mr. Mauri did not send one line to the Chief Minister recommending us. And more shockingly, when I got this appointment of advisor, Mr. Heck called me. He said, please come over to my room. I went to his room and Mr. Heck congratulated me and rather asked me, how did you get your appointment? Who recommended you? I said, I got it from the Chief Minister directly. Then Mr. Heck revealed something which is shocking to all of you. I must tell you this today. That Mr. Heck had already recommended my name and Mr. Kharkrang's name in a DO letter for an assignment. And that letter was addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister. As a matter of courtesy, Mr. Heck called up Mr. Mauri saying, I am sending one recommendation to the Chief Minister for 2 names, Mr. Shangplyang and Mr. Kharkrang, for some assignment to be given by the CM. Mr. Mauri said, please hold on, I am coming to your room. Mr. Mauri goes to Mr. Heck's room and tells him to tear away that appointment, that recommendation letter, saying, how could you do this? These 2 people have just joined the party yesterday. Please recommend my name, he says. Mr. Mauri says, please recommend my name. You can ask Mr. Heck if you want to verify all this.
What was the assignment?
Then Mr. Heck had to comply to the request of the party president he tore away that letter and rather recommended Mr. Mauri's name. How could you betray? This is treachery. This is betrayal. When I kept going, requesting him to give recommendations for 5 of us to the Chief Minister for some posts, he rather goes from the back door and asks Mr. Heck to tear away that kind of recommendations and rather wants his name to be recommended. Well, it is up to Mauri and it's up to Heck to clarify that. Because this is what Mr. Heck told me.
And what long back